want the
What is it?
Juliet! What happened? Oh my God. Oh. Not again, Richard. Not again. Huh?
See where love has landed you. See what love has done to you. Hey.
So that it's okay. Just look at this. Eh? I have told Richard not once, not twice that it's ungentlemanly to hit a woman. It doesn't make you a man. Rather, it makes you less of a man. Just take a look at how can a man do this to his own wife? So now go get water, okay? So you go clean her up, okay? Go get water. Could it be his wealth? Could it be his wealth that is getting to his head? Or is he going? Ego nekwana na abaishi. Ego yeme oji chibara we konwa ori okore. Chiku bumamba. Ego nekwana na abaishi. Ego de manu go oji na abaishi. You allowed him to escape. He escaped. Yes. You allowed him to escape. After all the money I paid you. Huh? After all I paid you people. You just ran by muscle.
We ran.
With all this muscle. Come here. You, come to me. Come here. Come, kneel, come here.
Everyone considered him the coward of the cowardly.
Richard! What happened to him? I don't know. What happened to him? I don't know. What happened? Is he dead? Is he dead? please stop.
No, he can't be dead. Auntie, you've killed him. You've killed him. Oh. You've killed him. Richard, please wake up.
It's okay, come.
Please wake up. He's dead. He's dead. You've killed him. You've killed him.
No, stop it.
You killed him. You killed him. Hey!
No. It's okay.
Richard, wake up! You will be killed him. Juliet, how do you want to kill yourself? Eh? Hey, Juliet, Uzugo, stop crying. No amount of tears can bring your husband back to life. Do you want to kill yourself? Get up. Get up. Since Ututu, you have not tasted anything. You have been crying. Uzugono bikono. Onem biko. 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 Agadimu. No.
Mama, get him.
Mama, none. Agomu.
Mama.
Agomu.
Mama, get him.
Agoma to kwa mama nena anjika yosa.
Bakedo.
None.
You are still crying. Take it easy on yourself, oh. Mama.
Mama, that was why I had to send for you people. So nungwabia. Eh? Since so toto sakwa. Eh? Liencha. Bikono, kai pono na mu. Bikono. Gwabania.
Mama, we thank God we've been able to settle with Richard's people. My wife and I were thinking that it would be nice for us to take Juliet to the city, take her with us back to the city, to stay with us, and this will enable her to get over all this.
Oh yeah, my boy. That is
Juliet, what do you think?
Should we go? No. Oh yeah, Je.
Mama, Juliet will go with us. At least she'll find something doing so that she won't think of crying again. Juliet, let's go in so you can pack your things, okay?
Calm down. Thank you, Biko. May God continue to bless you. Darling.
Hello, Uncle.
Thank you.
Well, sir.
Samuel, are the children not yet back?
No, madam.
Did you say they're not back yet?
Yes, sir.
Did anybody look for me?
No, sir.
I couldn't stop laughing.
Hi, love.
Good afternoon.
Juliet, how are you?
Fine, good afternoon.
Yeah, it's all right.
Hey, today.
Honey.
Massage? Wow. Your foot's a little bit swollen. Anyhow, it comes with it.
Let's do it gently.
Take some. So, how did your day go?
What was that for? What's the meaning of that? What is wrong with you? Are you a baby? Can't you stay on your own? Huh?
Richard, there's no problem putting my legs on your laps.
Now listen to me. Never again in your life try that with me. You know I don't like it. Don't you ever try that with me again. What nonsense is that? Now leave here. Leave now! Just go. Leave now!
I'm sorry.
Nonsense.
What is it? Juliet.
Juliet, go find out how she's doing.
Okay. Juliet, please hurry up. I don't want the children to be late for school.
Sister, must I follow you?
What will you be doing at home? Please, I want you to drive.
Oh, no, sister. Look, even if I'm going to follow you, please, do the driving, please.
You do the driving, please. My tummy.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Go.
bathroom. Open that way.
Back late last night and you're leaving early this morning. No explanation, nothing. You're not used to keeping late nights.
So that bring down your voice when you talk to me. I'm your husband. Show some respect. Huh? I had an emergency meeting yesterday. That's why.
So what's the use of a phone? Tell me.
Honey, I tried calling, but the line was not connected. You know how it is with networks in this country.
And you want me to believe that, baby Ike?
Good morning. Good morning, Juliet. How are you? Naka, please, I'm off to work. I'll see you later.
Please, leave me alone. Leave me alone, let me. This late. Huh? Richard, you've been drinking?
Who are you to ask me that question?
Richard, you've been drinking again. Eh? This is not right. I have told you so many times. It is so irresponsible of a married man to be like...
How dare you talk to me like that?
Please,
How dare you?
sorry. My angels. Come on, sweetheart. Is that the way to say welcome to your husband? No hug, no kiss, nothing? Huh? Leave me alone, please.
Oh, she'll leave you alone. Okay. Juju, how are you?
I'm fine. How was work today?
Very well, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, everybody. Daddy's taking everybody out today. Yay! All right. Go upstairs, get prepared. We're all going out, okay? Yeah. All right, take your sisters, We are
Take your sisters.
Daddy is taking everybody out, all right? Go. Go. Michael! Right, go. Go.
Yeah, follow your brother.
For your brother. Go get ready, okay, Michael? Go, come on. Hey, my sweetie, you want a hug again? All right. Juliet, you two, Juliet, go get ready, okay?
Me?
Yes.
No, I can't go out.
Juju, I insist. Everybody's going. I'm taking everybody out.
Oh,
Everybody's
okay.
going out,
Okay.
Everybody is going out. Huh? Why are you embarrassing me before my children? Eh? Cheer up, come on. Cheer up, sweetie. Biggie belly. Biggie belly. Biggie belly. Come on, go get ready, come on. Go get ready, I'll take you out, okay? You know about that.
Richard was beating me. He is my husband. He was my husband. I loved him. I never wanted him dead. Now you people have killed him. And you have left me alone. Now look at what you people are doing. Leave me alone. I didn't ask you people to kill him. I didn't. Look at me. I'm lonely. I don't have a husband. I didn't ask you guys to kill him.
Yes. Stop crying.
Sweetie, tell me, how can I ever snap out of this mood? I will never forgive myself over Richard's death. I wouldn't. I don't know what even came over me.
It's alright.
You know, why should I get myself involved in Juliet and Richard's case? Why? Let's see what he's gotten us into.
Honey, it's okay. Don't be too hard on yourself. You only tried to help. If not for you, that wicked man would have killed my sister. God knows we never planned for his death.
I know.
It was an accident.
I know, but Richard should be alive. Shouldn't have died. He ought to be alive, sweetie. Look at Juliet. She will never be a happy woman. Never. No matter what we offer her, no matter what we do, she will never be a happy person.
Honey, Juliet will be fine. I know it will not be easy for her to forget Richard. But she'll be fine, I can assure you of that. Okay? Honey, Okay, it's all right.
Michael, how are you? Oh, what is for you? Hello, children, how are you? How you doing? Come together. Good, good. Hello, sweetie. Hey, ooh, welcome there. Come on, sir. Come here, come here. How are you? Where's your mom?
I don't know.
You don't know where your mom is? That is upstairs. I see. Where's my color? Okay. I got some stuff for you, okay? You take care of me downstairs, okay?
Thank you. You go and get the bags from the booth.
Do you want to kiss me?
Michael, how are you? And how was school today? Hello. How are you? Where's your daddy?
He's upstairs.
Okay, I'll be back.
so much blood.
Doctor, please take my blood. Take blood from me if it's a matching one.
I'm sorry, we lost her and the baby. Excuse me.
Man just died like that. And I heard that nobody knows where Juliet ran to. They said Juliet did that to punish her sister and her husband for killing her own husband. Hey! But that is not fair now. The sister and the husband just tried to help her. Look at what she has done to that family. I hope that man will not run mad, yo. That's old woman, yo. I pity her. Oh, poor woman.
I hope you have the keys.
Yeah, one of them is inside.
Onia? Ezioku? Iba maudo. Iba maudo. Otijelu mchi. Otijelu mchi. Hey! Beba bia. Abamu.
I'm not in.
Hey,
Mama,
this is good.
You didn't take it.
Ngwa. Hey, welcome to Chili Kids. Hey, Mama, Odo. You will be one. Mama.
Oh, you're welcome.
Nah.
No,
Oh.
No, come back and go.
I know.
Hi, Mama. How is everybody in the village?
Nah. We are fine, oh.
You're welcome.
Oh, no.
You're welcome.
How are my grandchildren? I hope everybody is fine.
Oh, they're fine. We bless God.
Hey, Chegide. You did not come to the village. Mrs. Anoke, let me come and see if everything is well. I hope all is well with you. Can you get Afia?
All is not well. I'm having problems with my business. But everything is crashing down. As you speak, I don't even go to the market again.
How do you mean?
I don't know how to explain this to you for you to understand. But it appears the whole world is crashing down on me.
How? Nam, don't talk like that. Oh, don't talk like that. Everything will be fine. Oh, Pico.
Mama, I miss Neka. I really miss Neka. She was more than a wife to me. She was a friend. She stood by me in good times and in bad times. She was always there to advise me. And now she's no more. I'm left alone to take decisions.
Ogombiko. Ogombiko echetana mi ihe mchefu biko. Hey. Ew.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay, Baba.
Oh, where we go, Malu?
It's okay.
Mama, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Mama.
Anna.
Good afternoon, ma.
Kadu?
Mama.
No.
Mama, these sisters are looking for you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Odibama.
Odibama.
Biko, come out from the sun.
No, I am Reverend Sister Esther Wilfred, and this is Reverend Sister Russo Koro. We're from Mother of Perpetual Help in
No.
Mama, let me rest on my uncle's shop.
No, oh, Dalo, thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I would have said let's go inside, but it is too hot. I don't know if you can manage here because of air.
Okay.
Hey, no.
Now, do you have a daughter named Juliet?
Yes. Where did you see her?
Sorry. Is she the one in this picture?
Yes, sister. Where did you see her?
Well, you see, many months back, she came to us and she narrated to us how she erroneously slept with the sister's husband, which resulted in pregnancy. She stayed in our home all through the pregnancy and we took very good care of her. And on the 9th month, she gave birth to this little baby girl.
Huh? Mom, dear. Sister, please, tell her to come home. Tell her that I have forgiven her. Let her come.
Ma, see, she died immediately after giving birth to the child. I tried all I could to see how she could make it. Please, calm down. Please, take this child as a consolation. Please, stop crying.
My husband's Gakanemo. That was why I invited you people.
Kuno solo faithful. They said Juliet died after delivering her. Oh.
Our wife, stop crying, eh? At least the baby is safe. We shall send for a baby. Yes.
Stop crying. Just hand everything over to God. So she will take care of it.
Just sucking to that advice, okay? It will all be alright.
Thank you, my husband. Thank you.
Our in-law, you're welcome. We sent for you because the matter on ground is a serious one. This child you are looking at here was brought to us by some Reverend sisters. They said that Juliet gave birth to this child and died after delivery. But before she died, she gave the Reverend sisters the mother's address and told them everything about you and her. That this child belongs to you.
How? That this child is mine? How? I don't understand it.
She ran out of your house that very day because of what happened to her sister, Neka, your late wife. She later found out that she was pregnant and ran to the convent.
I don't understand what you are talking about. I don't.
Igwebike, what you are saying is that the child is yours and you should come and take the child. In this community, we don't regard any child as a bastard. And we believe that every child has a father. Hence, we try to reunite every child with his or her father.
But how can I take a child that doesn't belong to me?
Now, Ngwebike, are you telling me you did not sleep with this Juliet?
No. Mazi, please, Biko, let's not go there at all. Ogo. What we are really saying here is that you have to come and perform the traditional rites so that this child, this bundle of blessing here, will not be called bastard. Please.
Mama, I'm really sorry about the way I sounded out there. But the problem is that, Mama, I can't take care of this baby. Mama, I can't. You know already that my business has crumbled. Two, again, I have 3 children. 3 children to take care of. Mama, adding this one to these 3, Mama, it'd be too much. That would be suicidal. Mama, I can't.
It's okay, my in-law. Don't worry. I will help you take care of this baby. But please, go and do the traditional rites, Biko.
Come on. I'll be on my way now.
Ijoma. Oh, onye nwa Dubai.
Nah. Igwebike? How are the children?
Mom, I'm fine and the children are okay. Hope you're fine too.
Thank God. Nah. It's been long you left. You have not even called to know how the baby is doing. Up till now, the baby does not have a name or drop on mama. It's not fair.
Mama, just give her a name. Give her any name, okay? It's okay by me. Whatever name you give to her, it's okay by me.
Mbano, you are her father. You're supposed to name her, not me.
Mama, yes, I'm her father, but that's your grandchild. Give her any name, it's okay by me. Mama, please, I'm driving. I'll call you back, please.
Okay. Oh, Mbano, bye-bye.
Let's give her any name, man.
Daddy, they sent us away from school.
They drove you away from school? Why?
Daddy, they said that we did not pay our school fees. Daddy, why didn't you pay our school fees?
It's okay. Come on, take your scissors. Okay. Take them.
Is a gift from God. You are a gift from God. No matter how you came into this life or the circumstances surrounding it, you are a gift from God. And I name you Onyinye Chukwu.
Mama!
Eba.
Mama! Mama! Mama, Onyinye is fighting.
Onyinye? Yes. Fighting?
Yes, come.
Nebe?
Yes. Mama, come.
Take me there.
Come.
Take me. Take me there. Oh.
Come back.
Nebe? Nebe? Why you're funny?
Sorry. Just run.
Stop now! Stop! What is this? Take it easy!
Hey, husband and wife, why are you beating my granddaughter?
Mama, it's your daughter. She likes looking for trouble. It's not true. It's true.
What happened?
I came here, I met your daughter beating and insulting my wife. For what?
Instead of you,
leave me alone. I'm respecting you because of your age. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Okoro's wife called Onye a bastard. Huh? It's a lie. Yes, just because Onye asked her to leave her space. That was what led to the fight. Mama,
I came to the market with my wares to sell. On getting to the market, I saw this woman. She kept her fruits on my table. I told her to remove it. She refused. Next thing, she called me a bastard.
Mwamda has a father. Kunu na abona abo bastard. I will report the two of you to the Igwe in council. Go ahead, report.
She did not call her any bastard.
She called her a bastard.
It's a very big lie.
I will report.
Okay, now.
Get okay. Chalo. It's okay. Diala. Unu chona nje nwere mmadụ. Na boy. Ano me. Boy ba. Boy ba. Nyaka. Oye. Go. Meji. Jesus!
Okoro. Come and stand here. Come and stand right here. Where? Sure, take here. Sorry. Stand here. Please now. You. I have catch you now. Is this not you, Okoro?
I'm sorry.
Because the other day you were running your mouth anyhow.
I'm sorry.
And your husband was there to fight for you.
No.
Where is he now? He's not here. I have you to myself now.
Because
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
You will now go to the stream, fetch water in this your bucket and drink. Mommy,
back for you. You're welcome. Brother, how is Enugu? How is Yoga? How is everything?
Yes, how are you?
Where's Papa?
Papa went to the farm. Are you okay? Stop now, what's wrong with you? What happened? Asana.
After serving my God for 10 good years, now that he's supposed to settle me, he sent me away empty-handed, claiming that I stole his money.
This is not fair. This is not fair at all. After 10 years? 10 years? No, this is not fair. It's not acceptable at all.
Daddy, this is not acceptable at all. No! We won't accept it.
What kind of life is this? One year major. Did I offend anybody to deserve this?
This is wickedness. This is wickedness. Daddy, you have to do something, no? This is wickedness, so.
Sheer wickedness. Daddy, we're not accepting this at all. He sent out without 1 naira. Ife is here. How is she?
Her blood pressure rose.
Hey.
But don't worry, she'll be fine.
Hey.
I'll give her some drugs.
Okay.
After that, she'll be fine. Huh?
Okay.
Get her. Can you get a glass of water? Mama, you'll be fine, no?
Mama, good morning. Mama, are you strong? Yeah. Mama, you're still strong. Let me see. Hey, Mama, thank God though.
I'm strong.
Yes, sir.
I thank God for giving you to me.
Yes, Mama, I'm happy you're fine. Let me go and keep it. Did I not tell you that any day, anywhere I see you in this village? Now let me go.
I'm sorry, Onye.
Did I not tell you?
Forgive me.
Oh, I don't the plantain.
Okay.
Drop it!
Onye! Please. Sorry.
Please, Stop it!
Okay, thank you.
Yes! Hey! You! Where am I from? Why you want to fight? It's okay now. Why do you stop it? Please, I wanted to give her a dosage of my hair. I'm on Papa. And I'm a bastard.
It's okay.
Me a bastard. Don't worry, wrong. I will catch you. As always. I will catch you. As always, plantain. It's not my own. I'm coming.
It's okay. Leave her plantain.
Where are you coming from? Why you come and stop fight? Don't care. Hey, yeah, Seba. Tell me, where are you going to?
Where is my plantain?
Hey, stop.
Where's my plantain?
What are you doing here?
I said, where is my plantain?
Hey, this is. You have gone to call your Dick Tiger. Okay? To come and fight on your behalf. To fight on Nye. Listen, Okoro, I did not take your wife's plantain. I only seized it. So, until my anger comes down, it will be in my possession. And let me tell two of you, if you dare make noise in my compound, if I help him, if you even try to show yourself small, I will deal with you in my capacity as Onye. Do you hear me? And if you look at me like that again, you will buy for yourself 1 week of constant beating. Every day beating from Onye. Every day. Try Anam. Just kind one. You came to collect plantain. Mama.
Oh, Guinea. Give me a few.
Your granddaughter stopped my wife on the way, fought her and took her plantain before she ran away. So I need that plantain now.
Mama. This side. Ha! Mabiko, I'm going to the market. I will give it back to them at my own time. I'll pluck at your eye.
Don't bring the plantain, my friend.
Neno, when woke cable. Why you na agba ọnụ ka ụkpaka. Nne, anọ m na-etigbu oyi isi. Ndo. Nwekwa na ebe a emelu ivo ịrapụ ụmụ nwanyị. Nwanyị na ibi ya. Kedu ya? How are you, my
Daddy? Daddy, come on here. Daddy! Sister, good afternoon. Who is your sister? Who is your sister?
Yeah?
Jovita, stop that. Stop it.
Mama, take it back.
Papa, good afternoon.
Mama, what is she doing here?
Onya?
I'm talking about her. Lay on here. What is she come to do here?
Igwebike, what kind of question is that?
Mama, just ask. Lay on here. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah. You will not come and see her. And you do not want her to come and see you. Eh?
Mama, I have told you that I don't want to see this girl. I've told you so many times that I don't want to see her. That she brings me sad memories. She causes me pain. Look at my life, Mama. My business, my life, everything is in ruins because of this girl. Mama, I'm becoming frustrated by the day. I will be here again. Is it to add to my problems?
Little care.
Mama,
little care can watch.
Mama, I've told you I don't want to see her.
So that is why you have refused to come and see me too.
Mama, what am I coming to see you for? Seeing you is seeing her. So I can't man and no win. That's right.
Mama, Obejili, go and bring it so that your father will use it to kill her officially.
If that is going to put an end to all these things, I will do it.
Kill her officially. Come and kill. Onyinye Chukwu. Onyinye Chukwu. Onyinye.
Soya. Oye, ewero nye soya. Uwe wegefe, uwe mebere. Akwa na afofo, onya juraju.
Don't be angry. Fenine at this one. What's happening you? What's happening you? Go and let the cat this way.
Mama? Good day, ma.
Michael.
Fine, ma.
Brother, good afternoon.
Hey, how are you, Nini?
I'm fine.
Mama, your face.
I asked after you when we got to your house. They said you went out.
Yes, Mama. I went to see my friend. I'm so soon. I thought you would be spending the night with us.
Maybe next time.
Mama, if you say so. Let me allow you to go now before it gets dark. Take care of yourself, Mama. Oh. You too.
Daddy, forget about that. All will be well, okay?
Just imagine her calling herself our sister. She's not our sister, Biko. She's not. Eh? She's the cause of everything we are suffering.
Daddy, grab some. Teresa. What are you talking about like that again?
Is that stupid girl that calls herself our sister? That stupid fool.
It's okay. Daddy, I saw Grandma on my way home, and with the look on her face, she's not looking happy. What happened?
Forget about that girl that calls herself our sister. She can't be my sister.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Michael, what did you say? Why are you shutting her down? Why are you shutting her down? I'm asking you, why are you shutting her down?
Daddy, she's not our sister.
Will you shut up, my friend? Shut up. What do you know? What do you know? Now, listen, every one of you. I don't want to see any one of you near that girl. Do you understand me?
Yes, Daddy.
Do you understand me, Michael?
Yes, Daddy.
Soya, soya, soya. Onye, ewere onye soya. Uwe megefe, uwe mebere.
What is the problem? No. Oyeleni. Okay. Eh? Onyinye Chukwu, what is the problem? Ennem, Mamam, Oyeleni, Enwam, okay.
Mama, I am a mistake.
Mbao, don't say that again.
Yes, that is what I am. I am a child of sorrow. Mama, I don't blame the villagers that call me a bastard. Because indeed, that is what I am. A bastard. Mama, I represent pain. Everything about me is bitterness.
God forbid. You are not sorrow. You are not pain. You are not bitterness. You are my joy.
Your joy? Mama, how can I be your joy? How can I be your joy when nobody wants to see me? My father doesn't want to see me. My sisters don't want to see me. Nobody wants to see me. Is it my fault? Is it my fault that I came into this world? I am being rejected by my own father. Mama, why? Why now?
Stop. Onyinye, I said stop. Like I said, you are not sorrow. You are not pain. And you are not bitterness. I have always told you not to put yourself in a situation where people will be sorry for you or even pity you. That is for people who are weak in mind. I trained you to be a strong girl. Self-pity is a sign of weakness. Onyinye, it's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Get up. Get up. Onyinye, look into my eyes. Who are you?
I am not a bastard.
Who are you?
I'm not a weakling.
Who are you?
I'm a strong woman.
That is my child. Ngwa, go inside and sleep. What? Go inside.
Not just picking the call.
Daddy, who is that?
I'm calling your Oga. But he's not been picking my call.
Daddy, I have told you to stop wasting your time. That man will never pick your call.
Don't worry, I know what to do now. I will send him a text message asking him to come so that we can talk. Because I can't understand it. How can he send you away without giving you anything? But, no. Send him an SMS.
Okay, Daddy. What if he doesn't come?
I know what to do. Leave it to me. Okay?
Thank God today was great, yes? And I pray tomorrow will be like this. Where is this guy calling me? I want to just answer him.
So Chika, didn't you hear me calling you? And why didn't you answer me?
Come, Odili or whatever your name is, stop following me around this village. What's your problem? I said I'm not interested. Can I get into your thick skull?
Chika, why are you acting like this? Chika, what's wrong with you? Like, seriously, I don't know what you are feeling like. I don't know.
Well, as you can see, I am feeling like Chika that I am. Odili, go and do something with your miserable life and leave me alone.
Chika, are you talking to me like that?
Yes.
Are you talking to me like that?
Yes, of course.
Now, man, I will deal with you.
Odili, you slapped me. Ross, you slapped my friend.
And look, if you don't get out of my way, I'm going to slap you the same way I did to her.
You slapped me.
What? What?
Yes. Here's the list.
Which list?
The things I need for my salon.
Teresa, there's no money for this now, okay? There's no money for this. Huh?
But Daddy, you're the one that asked me to go and learn hairdressing now.
I agree. I had a soul. I I remember I'm the one who asked you to go and learn hairdressing. And I did that because I was expecting some money. Now the money I was expecting did not come. But can't you still open a salon without some of these things there? Then maybe as you're working, you'll be buying and putting inside small spots.
Daddy, no, if I open the salon without these things, people will think I'm not serious. And Daddy, they won't even patronize me.
Beatrice, let me even ask you. Do you think I'm blind? Do you think I'm Mommy Him again? Listen, I go to salons myself. I see some salons. I know some salons that are functioning, existing without some of these things here.
Those salons, Daddy, Daddy, they're not up to standard now. They're not. Can I open a salon without these things?
There's no money for now. You have to wait until money comes.
Daddy, you have to look for somewhere and borrow.
What did you say? I should look for somewhere and borrow. It's either you're patient till I get money, or you join your sister Jovita in the factory work. Did you hear what I said?
Factory work? Daddy, I'm not joining her. That work is very stressful. I cannot. How much are they even paying her?
I don't have money. I don't have money for this for now. I don't.
Good day, Daddy.
Michael, how are you? How was your day? Help me hold that thing. Hold it.
Daddy, guess what?
What?
I've gotten a job, a side job.
You've gotten a job? A side job?
Yes, Daddy. A friend of mine today introduced me to a side job, so I'll be working with him there.
Oh, that's nice. So what kind of side job? What are you going to be doing there?
Daddy, I'll be mixing cement, carrying sand, sometimes with fresh water. Daddy, at least it's better than me staying at home waiting for my Oga to settle me now, doing nothing.
It's okay, my son. At least you can be doing that for now. Until have you seen it? Have you seen your brother struggling? At least you know what he used to do. But now that things are like this, look at him. And you come up here with our Baba list, you know, for me to buy you salon, open salon for you. Look at him. I don't want to be one again.
Mama, are you feeling any pain in any part of your body?
My left leg. When I sit for a long time on
Here.
Hey, now why you?
Kupita, small now.
Yeah, because.
And
Sorry, Mama.
Amonye will go with me to the shop. I'll give her some drugs you will take. After taking the drugs, you'll be fine.
Oh, thank you.
But Mama, I might not be able to come back. No customers are waiting for me in the shop. Just make sure you take the drugs, eat your food, you'll be fine.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Oninya,
Mama,
you will follow Doc to his shop. He'll give you some medicines for me.
Yes, Mama.
God bless you.
Mama, take care of yourself. You'll be fine.
God bless you.
I'll be right back.
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Hey, God will bless him. Nanyokoi, he has been treating me without collecting 10 kobo.
He's so nice.
God will bless him.
Amen.
Peter, where are you coming from? So you don't stay in your shop again, Okwaya? What you do now is to walk about the whole village, carry small girls up and down. You don't have what to do with your time again.
Yeah, Agatha. Is it me you are talking to like that? I'm okay now. What is your problem? See, is it everything that enters this your dirty mind that you open your mouth and talk? Have you even asked me who this girl is before you started saying all those stupid things from your mouth?
Peter, so it's because of this thing that I don't know where you brought her from. That's why you're talking to me like this. Because of this girl, I don't know where she came out from. Peter! Peter!
See, stop chasing customers away from you. I don't want to warn you again. Stop chasing them away. Please come, let me give you the drops.
Jinka, you needed to have been there to see how this girl was running her mouth. She was running her mouth like a motorcycle. No single respect. If it was not for the respect I have for Peter, I would have taught her a little lesson. I swear.
Are you serious? Well, Onye, you don't need to jump into relationship issues like that. Who knows? Maybe that is how they do their own love.
Maybe go up with that thing. If that's how their love is, it's not a good one. It is not.
Onye, let me start living. Let me go and read for my exams. But you know what? I'll come back. I'll see you later. I'll come back.
You have to come now.
I will.
I'll look for you.
Don't look for trouble, no. Take care of yourself.
I will. Bye-bye.
Bye.
No. So what can I do for you?
Thank you so much. If I hear my nephew is interested in marrying one of your daughters.
I see. You're fine.
Yes, sir.
Good. If what do you do for a living?
Sir, I'm a transporter, sir.
Oh, a transporter?
Yes.
That's good.
Keke to be precise.
You what? Poverty will kill two of you. Everyone at home. Get away from my compound. Bring us fire. Move here, idiot. Don't you ever come into my compound again, idiot. Can you imagine? Imagine, Keke driver. Keke driver coming into my compound to tell me that he wants to marry you. Can you imagine this? Can you imagine? Huh?
No. Is it there? No, is it there? Keke wants to marry you. Keke Jovita. Is it that Keke wants to marry?
Hi!
That is okay.
Go get away. What the fuck?
That is sorry. That is okay.
It's okay. Go the marry one cabicon. Eh? Hi! Igwebike. Ahushele Maya. Keke. Be a long one. We know him when I'm out in a village.
Nah, people matter hell. I don't like, as in, hi, Morio just did a very big mistake. Okay, you don't even watch football, Seth. What am I even talking? So what do you now do for... Mazi Gwebike, Ndeo.
How are you?
Fine.
Why did you do that, man?
Chigozie. Owevola melanya ba.
That ritualist, after killing his wife, now see how poor he has become. Now, you greeted him in our dialect and he replied you in English.
Yes.
He does not associate with our people. All he does is to iron his clothes and polish his shoe. Even farm work he can't even do. He thinks he's still in the city. He when he calls himself an agent.
Chigozie, calm down. Chigozie, calm down. You see, Mazi Igwebike is not a ritualist. Though he may be claiming to be an agent, but he's not a ritualist. I believe his wife's death affected his brain.
Yes, you're right. That thing really affected the man's brain. So men came to his compound to ask for that hand in marriage because the man is a car driver. He chased the man out of his compound.
What are you saying? Wait, come to think of it. What is the difference between his daughter and a keke driver?
Ask me, come. I don't know.
Wow, wonders will never
She fell down when she wanted to fetch water.
Fetch water? Which water, Mama? Which water? I was going to fetch water by myself. Oh God, brother, please help me. Let's take her inside, please. Help me, oh, Mama. Oh, Mama.
Mama, you should not have gone to fetch this water. You shouldn't have gone. Now look at what has happened. I'm not happy.
Mama, I'm sorry. I needed water. There was no water at home. I just wanted to help you. Because you went to fetch firewood, I said, okay, let me go and fetch water. I was strong when I left home. I don't know what happened to me. I don't know why I fell down. Maybe I lost strength.
Ndo, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, oh?
Mama, give me your hand. Anybody who causes you grief because you don't have anybody to fight or defend you will receive double portion of it. Always remember to be strong. Do not do anything that will make anybody pity you. Self-pity is a sign of weakness and failure. Always be strong. Anything you lay your hands upon must be blessed. In Jesus' name.
It's okay. Stop talking, eh? Don't talk again. Yeah? You're not feeling that. And you're shaking. Mama, you're shaking. Why are you shaking? Eh? Ma? Mama? Mama, wait. Let me go and call Uncle Peter so that you look at you. You're shaking now. Eh?
It's late.
No. Wait. Just wait. I'll be right back. Oh? No, Mama. I'm coming. Oh? I'm coming.
It's too late. It's too late.
Mama, she's sleeping. She was just shaking when I came. No, she got tired from the coughing. She was even talking safe. Sorry, Mama. Mama, sorry, oh. You'll be fine. Yeah, the Mama. Just a small fool. She's sleeping.
Mama is dead.
What do you mean Mama is dead? I'm telling you she was talking and she was shaking. I came to call you. Check her again. You check again. Uncle Peter, check again now.
She was already dead.
Uncle Peter, put this thing and check it again. Mama, wake up. Mama, don't do this though. Mama, don't do this. Mama, wake up. Hey, Uncle Peter, what are you doing? What are you doing? Open this thing. Give my mother medicine. Give her medicine to take. Give her medicine. Give my mother medicine. Mama, please wake up. Mama, please wake up. Hey, God. Give my mother medicine, Mama, please wake up. Mama, wake up. Wake up, Brush my teaching that yourself. Now that
You pay. Or you give me 2 minutes. You give me 2 minutes.
Yeah, come on, teach me now. Oh, teach me.
It's okay now. Right like this. Yeah, do like this. Do like this. Yeah, do like this. Like this. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
This one is not nice. Just teach me something that at least when I got.
Teach me one. You teach me. Teach me one. Let me see the dance and stop giving me the dance.
Oh, Daddy's back. Oh, Daddy, welcome. So that your face is like this. Adi, what is it?
Adi, what happened? Why is your face like this?
Where am I going to start?
Adi, talk to us now.
Your grandma is dead. And the burial falls on me. Where am I going to get the doctor?
Hey!
Stop crying, please.
So my Linda, why would you do this to me now? Oh God. Hey, God, where do I start from? Hey.
Daddy, don't worry. We'll do it the little we can, okay? Don't worry. Stop crying.
Where should she go? Where should she go now?
That is okay, please.
Daddy, please don't cry. You should be happy that you're the one to bury Mama, not the other way around.
Thank you.
Okay. So, tell me, how are my sisters and how is Papa?
They are fine, except Daddy. Mama's Billionaire is really bothering him. He's always thinking where to get money for her burial. And me, I don't have anything. The little place I'm managing, there's nothing coming from there. So the thing is really weighing him down. But as for my sisters, they are fine.
Excuse me.
Okay. You're back.
Here.
Onyinye, where did you get this from?
It's money that I've been saving to use and get into the university. And to achieve it, I've been saving small money from all the different businesses I've been doing. But give it to Papa. Let him use it and bury Mama. It's about 130,000 naira. Okay? But please, do not tell him that it's from me. Please.
That means you're no more going to university.
It doesn't matter.
Don't worry. God will provide.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Let me get you food to eat before going.
Okay. Good evening, Dad. Welcome. What are you doing? What are you reading paper?
Trying to see what the papers are saying today.
Politicians. Daddy. Take, add it to what you have for Grandmama's burial.
Michael, where did you get this money from?
Daddy, a friend of mine whom I helped when I was serving my master, I asked him to lend me some money and he did today.
And how much is it and how do you intend to pay him back?
Daddy, is 130,000 naira. And I told you I will pay him back. I helped him when he needed my help. I'll pay him back, don't worry.
Thank you very much, my son. Thank you very much. God will certainly help us pay this money back.
Amen, Daddy.
It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy. Daddy, smile now.
I will. I will smile.
It is well. Daddy, let me check up on my sister.
It's okay.
Mama, you were my everything. My everything. Now I have nothing. I have no one. God, why? Why? Why did you take my mother? Why did you? Mama.
Thank you, my daughter. Sit down. Anya, my daughter.
Yes, Uncle.
And there's something I want to discuss with you.
Okay, Uncle.
It is time for you to go and be staying with your father at Umunono village. As you know, your grandma is no longer alive. And you cannot be staying all alone in this house. You see?
No, Uncle, please. I can actually cope on my own. I can stay and I'll be fine. Please.
Onye, my daughter, it is not proper. You have to go and stay with your father, Gwebike.
She cannot stay in my house. She can't. Take her somewhere else. Let her go somewhere else. But it's for here, she cannot stay here.
Our in-law, Gwebike. The fact is that our wife, our own wife, your mother-in-law, that was taking care of her, is dead.
And Onyechi cannot stay in that house all alone.
Eh? Do I have water in my mouth? I said to you, she cannot stay in this house. Eh? Is that not clear?
No, Daddy. You can't do this. She's your daughter. Where do you want her to go to?
Will you shut up and get out of this place?
No, I can't shut up, Daddy. I can't shut up. This is getting too much. Ah! This is her house. She must stay. What is it, Daddy? She must stay. This is her house and she is your daughter.
Teresa! Teresa! Go. Teresa, are you the one that said the comfort? No. I was even looking for you to ask if you were the one. All the water drums are all filled up. Are you serious? What's this one?
Good morning, my sisters.
Who are your sisters? Eh? See, are you doing all these ones for me to like you? See, let me tell you, stop wasting your time. There is no place for you in this house. You know your sisters. Sisters will wait with you.
I don't have your time. Maybe I'll get and go to work.
In Jesus' mighty name. Father, bless this food we're about to eat. Bless the hand that made this food. Bless the mouths that feed from it. In the mighty name of Jesus.
Teresa, where's Onyinye's food?
There was no provision for her. The food wasn't enough.
How do you mean the food wasn't enough? Eh? And you not even make any provision for her. Onyinye did not eat yesterday night, yet she woke up this morning and did all the housework. Now you are telling me there's no food for Onyinye. Onyinye, take my food.
No.
I'll look for something next to it.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Excuse me. Daddy.
Listen, both of you. I understand how you both feel about her. But please, don't let it get to food. Okay? Did you hear what I said?
Yes, Daddy.
Jovita, did you hear me?
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, come on, join me and eat this food. Huh? I cannot be eating while you are not.
No.
Take. See, if you don't eat with me, I will not be happy with you.
Brother, don't worry. I'm fine. I'm not even hungry.
No. Yeah, take, eat. Eat, Onyinye. Take now. Stop. See, you are crying again. Yeah, sorry. Please eat. Please. Take now.
Hold on.
Onyinye, how are you?
I'm fine. Hey, I wanted to ask you where Papa's dirty clothes are, because I want to wash them.
Daddy's clothes are not dirty now. They were washed 3 days ago. Just that they've not ironed them.
Okay, tell me where they are. I can iron it.
Can you iron? Do you know how to use electric iron?
I can. What is the meaning of that? I know how to iron.
Okay, see, they're inside his room, on top of that chair. So when you finish ironing them, arrange them and put them inside his bus. Okay?
I will.
Hardworking girl.
Ahushele manya. Eh? Ezringeozi, who asked you to iron my clothes?
No, Papa, no.
Eh? My slacks. Eh? Imakwe go then go akwa. Eh? Imakwe go then go akwa. Imakwa for how long I've had it? Eh? Did I ask you?
Papa, Papa, I'm sorry.
Now you bought all because you want to please me. Eh? You want to please me. Eh? Now you're gonna head to Boba. You will leave this house.
Papa!
You want to leave
Michael, please take Papa. I'm sorry. It was a mistake.
It's a stupid mistake. You are leaving my house. Come on, take the house.
Mama, it was a mistake now. Allow her to explain herself now.
Please, I beg you, please. Michael, please, beg you for me, Papa.
Take it out. Go. Wait. Take it out. Wait. Go. Wait. Take it and go. Go away.
Mama, please, I'm sorry.
If you don't replace this trouser, don't bother coming to my house. Did you hear what I said? Take. Go with it.
She's not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere.
Will you shut up? Shut up, your mouth. Shut up. Just go. Garo, will you go?
Please, Papa.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, come on. I'm sorry, Papa. Please, Papa.
You're not bringing those bags into this house. You're not going anywhere with those bags.
Will you get out of my way?
You're not entering anywhere. You're not entering this house with this bag. You're not entering. I will tell Daddy you're not entering this house. I will tell Daddy when he comes back. You're not entering this house with those bags.
Teresa, shut up your mouth. Parrot. Can't you just stay without talking? Use a blade mouth.
You're not entering this house. You're not entering. I will tell Daddy when he comes back. You see, I will tell Daddy. You're pushing me because of that stupid girl. You're pushing me. When Daddy comes back, I'll tell him. Rubbish. Pushing me.
I'm trying to switch. They said it's 7,000 naira. I don't have money. I don't know how to borrow me.
See, Unye, how I wish I have the money. I would have given it to you. Okay, why don't you go and see Uncle Peter? He could give you some money. That if you tell him your dad sent you out of the house.
No. I don't want anybody to pity me.
Okay, fine. Tell him to borrow you some money. At least that will help. Please.
To lend me money. That sounds better. It sounds very much better.
Please, sorry.
Come with me, let's go and ask him. Please.
Sorry.
And I pray he gives me. I pray he gives me, or if not, I'm dead.
Oh, you will.
Please, that is the situation I find myself in. Borrow me this money, 7,000 naira to buy the suit. I will pay you back as soon as I do my usual small business. I can raise this money and I'll pay you back. It's a promise.
Pay you immediately.
You don't need to kneel down to beg me anything. You know that. Stand up. Stand up. Just hold down.
Okay.
Peter, thank you so much.
Oh my God, thank you.
God bless you.
Just be careful next time.
Yes, thank you. We'll go and buy the suit right now.
Bye, thank you. God bless
Are you sure this is a new suit? Eh? Are you sure it's not a cricker?
Come and sit down there. Must you talk?
Will you shut up? Don't shout that down. Come, hold it. Not you, I'm not. Come, give it to him. Sure. Bring it here. Come closer. Come.
It's a nice one. See the label.
What is the name? Does he have a name?
Yes, Daddy.
What is the name?
See, Mestro.
What's Mestro? Huh? I've not heard of such name.
This is a very nice one. It's even better than the other one.
What did you say?
I said it's good. Even the color itself is very good. Nice one, Daddy.
Daddy, check
nice,
one.
it's imported, Daddy. See.
I see. Take it inside.
Thank you.
Yes. Oye, what kind of rice was that you cooked? It's so watery. Will you call that rice so agidi? Or did you cook it for toothless people?
No, I'm sorry. I didn't know you wouldn't like it. It's usually the way I used to make it for Mama.
Shut up! Why didn't you ask question? Why are you bringing grandma into this? Oh, Onyinye. Oh, Onyinye, you want to fight me? Do you want to fight me, Onyinye? Do you want to fight me? Oh, yeah, now. Fight me, Onyinye. Onyinye, come and fight me.
Yes, what?
Daddy, Onyinye wants to fight me. Onyinye wants to fight me, Daddy.
I'm sorry.
Look at her. She cooks rubbish in the name of rice.
You can't continue like this, huh? Stop letting Teresa and Juvita ride you in this house. This is your father's house. I heard what happened earlier today. You can't continue like this.
What would you rather have me do? Fight them?
Fight them! Fight them if that will stop them from maltreating you. After all, they are girls like you. Huh? If anybody should hit you, hit that person back. It's getting too much of all these girls. Stop crying. Please, this is your father's house. Huh? Come back here. I'm talking to you.
She's coming. Sister, I'm coming.
Oga, I'm so sorry.
You should be thanking this lady. She saved your child.
Auntie, thank you, Auntie. Thank you so much.
Madam, keep an eye on your child.
I will do.
What if this Oga was in high speed?
Thank you very much. Thank you. You saved me. Thank you.
You're driving. You look at the road now.
I will. Thank you very much. Please, where are you going to? Let me take you.
I'm going to my house.
Please let me take you to your house. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.
From the market.
Who was that man that dropped you off?
It's a man that I saw on the road when there was an accident and the small boy.
You saw where? You did what, Onye? Onye.
No! What is it? What is it? Stop! What is it?
Daddy, ask this stupid girl where she's coming from.
Where are you coming from?
Coming from the market.
She's coming from the market. What is it again?
Daddy, I sent this stupid girl to market since morning to buy me what I'll prepare for you before leaving for work. She went and stayed in a man's house.
No, Papa, that's not true.
You went to see a man?
No.
Daddy, a man dropped her off.
A man dropped her off! The man is just somebody that...
A man dropped you off?
Papa, no, that's not what it is.
In a keke komoto. Or keke komoto.
Big car, Jeep, big Jeep.
Come on in here. Come on. Put up some, get me some cake.
Papa,
get me a cake.
Papa, that's not what it is. That's not what it is. I just met him. He was...
So, Onye,
sir?
Where are you again?
No. No, sir.
Where are you again?
No, sir. No. Papa, Papa, please. Papa, please. Papa, please.
Go get me my belt. Go get my belt.
Hey, sister, please. Sister, please.
Onye.
Papa.
Where are you again?
No.
At this age?
No.
At this age?
Belt.
Come.
Please, I beg you, please.
Lie down.
Daddy, please.
Come on.
Lie down.
Come on. Lie down.
Lie down. Daddy, please.
Come on.
Daddy, please.
Papa,
please, now, Papa.
Come on. Imeli.
No.
Teresa, if you see this guy, the guy is too handsome, tall. I saw him from afar, but the way he looks, he's very rich. The guy has money. If you see his car, not die.
Oh my God, Jovita, are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Hey, so where has this guy been since that we've not seen him in this village?
I don't think that guy is in this village. Maybe he came to visit someone or something.
So how did we now meet him? You see that girl? You see that stupid Winnie?
That girl.
See, we've been in this village since and we've not met this kind of person. It's only keke drivers that used to come and look for us. Sorry, they used to come and look for you.
It's you.
They used to come and look for
Keke driver will marry you very soon.
So where is that stupid girl now?
You're asking me. Maybe she's in the guy's house.
Jovita, you need to buckle up. You need to sit up. You need to sit up so rich men will start looking for us. Not all those keke drivers that used to come and look for you.
Is keke driver married? My keke driver must marry you.
That guy is my spec. Keke will marry you.
Keke will marry you.
Which is my spec. Not be keke.
Chika, I can't continue living there. Look at me. Look at my body. See what a man I call my father did to me. Chika, are you seeing your friend? Are you seeing what they have done to your friend?
Oye, it's okay. Stop crying. How I wish my mother was still alive. You would have come to stay with us. Oye, you know how I've been suffering in the hands of my stepmother. But I believe all will be well someday. All I need to is to be good so that my dad can train me in school. So Oye, just be patient. All will be well, okay? Come, let's go to Uncle Peter's shop. Sorry. Come, let's go to Uncle Peter. Hi. Sorry. Where's the bus? Where's the bus?
I'm fighting. If you have a wound, if you fight again and come here, I will allow Satan to.
Uncle Peter. Uncle Peter. Come. Sorry.
Onyinye? What is wrong? Who did this to her?
Uncle Peter, it's her father.
What? Her father did this to her? Sorry. Ndo.
Sorry.
How could the father do this type of thing to her?
I don't know, Uncle Peter. I don't know.
Come in, Onyi. Come in, sorry, Ndo.
Sorry.
Hey.
Oye, please, just take care of yourself, eh? Let me hurry up and cook for my dad. I'll be back. Alright. Just take care. I'll come.
Daddy, why did you beat her? Is Onyinye a child? Her mates are married. Just because a man came to drop her, now you have made her run away. Daddy, what do you want that girl to do to please you? If anything happens to that girl, Daddy, I will never forgive you.
Come on, get away from here, man. Suzuvugia. You told her. Get away from here. Idiot. You were allowed home, you told her.
Onyinye.
Are you still crying? Oh yeah, it's okay. I brought you this food.
Check, look at. He raped me.
How do you mean? Who raped you?
Okay, Peter. Peter raped me. I have looked for him everywhere. I have searched for him. I didn't see him. I take virginity that I have been keeping. Virginity that I have been protecting. He took it. He took it.
How did this happen? How?
He gave me some pills to take. He said that they are pain relieving pills. And that part of the effect is that it will make me drowsy. I want to sleep. I took it. And I slept off. Only for me to wake up.
Only for me to wake up. And this is my life. I think I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished.
So Uncle Peter gave you sleeping pills so he could rape you? God will punish him. God will punish him wherever he is. It's okay. It's okay.
Please, come with me to Norma. Please.
No. I will stay here. This compound belongs to my late grandma. I may not have access to the main house, but this is their compound. I'm safe here.
So that idiot thinks he can do this to my sister. If I lay my hands on him, I will strangle him. I will strangle him.
Oye, please go with your brother. This place is not safe for you. I don't want you to get hurt, please. Please go with him. Please.
Let's go.
Oye, please. Sorry.
So you came back in my chalasa.
Choma Jumwa. Choma Jumwa.
In my chalasa. In my chalasa.
Choma Jumwa.
Hey. Hey, yeah. Hey. She came back. See, oh, yeah.
Listen to me. See, Chika, you know me. You know me, I've never done this type of thing before. Bikoni. Eh? Chika, I don't know what came over me. Eh? I've never done this type of thing before. It was the devil that pushed me.
Oh, really? Yes. Devil? Well, go and beg the devil.
Eh? Chika, come on. Please now. I've been trying to reach Onyinye. Eh? I'm so confused. I don't even know what to do again. Please help me talk to Onyinye.
Come. If you dare come close to me again, I'll shout rape. Yes, and you know what that means. Rapist.
Oh my God. Who is this fresh boy? Is it the one Jovita was talking about?
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine.
Is Onye at home?
Oh, yeah? No, she doesn't stay here. She only came for a visit and she's gone back to her village.
Oh, really? Please, can I have a number?
Oh, sorry. She doesn't have a phone.
So there's no way I can reach her?
Not at all.
It's alright. Thank you very much. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Teresa, but you can call me Tessie.
Tessie, it's alright.
Sorry, I don't know your own name.
My name is Dave. I'm a friend of hers.
Wow, it's my pleasure.
Alright. Teresa, I'll be on my way, okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much. Alright.
Take care.
Who was that?
Oh, his name is Dave.
Is that not Onyinye's friend? Is that not Onyinye's friend?
I don't know, Joe.
I don't know who I'm talking to. Onyinye.
Welcome.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
That's good. I hope you're getting better.
Welcome. I'm getting better.
Okay. Or you get better, huh?
You're back so early. Is everything alright?
Yes, everything is alright. I had to come back early to check up on you. I hope you've eaten and taken your drugs.
I have. Thank you for the care. God bless you.
You'll get better, huh? Oh, I think your friend Dave came to see you.
Dave?
Yes, Dave.
Hi. Let me get...
No, relax. He has gone. He was driving out when I came in. Yeah.
Hi.
Just try and relax, okay? Let me go and take my bath.
Okay. Bravo.
Chika, please, ever since that day this thing happened, I've not been able to sleep. I've been having sleepless nights. And my conscience is even pricking me. Please, help me talk to Onyinye. Help me beg her to forgive me, please.
Why are you telling me? Why can't you go and apologize to Onyinye yourself? Come. Peter or whatever your name is, I won't warn you again. Leave me alone.
Chika,
do you understand?
Chika, please now. You are her best friend. Please now, you are the only person that can talk to her, please.
I said leave me alone. I won't warn you again. Shameless man. Nonsense. Rubbish.
What are you doing? Come here. Onyinye. Come here. Onyinye. Why is this compound not swept?
I'm not feeling fine.
Come on, shut up and go and get broom and sweep this compound.
I would have swept it, it's just that I don't feel strong at all.
Are you still standing there? Come on, go and get broom and sweep this compound.
friend, I brought you this.
Hey, Chika, thank you.
It's okay. You'll be fine. My friend, do you know that Peter has been disturbing me for days? Begging me that he's so sorry for what he did to you. But I didn't listen to him. This morning, I woke up to hear the news that his shop was burnt down and fire. I'm telling you.
Are you serious?
Not even a thing was brought out of the shop.
She will be okay. Huh? Okay. I think we have to take her inside. Let me give her an injection.
Okay. If I see her boy, I don't know.
She will be fine.
Okay. Oh, yeah, no, only find the messy, maybe let's do it.
Hope she has eaten today.
Yes, she has eaten.
Let me mix the drugs. Oh yeah. Let's take her. Why?
Doctor, what is happening now, doctor?
Why is she doing like this now, doctor?
What is happening to her now?
I don't know what happened.
What is happening now?
Wait, hold on. Madam, hold on.
Mama?
Doctor, what is happening now? Doctor, talk to me now. What is going on?
I don't know what I did wrong. She's dead.
What?
She's dead.
You killed my mother!
I did not kill her.
Doctor!
I did not kill anybody.
Mama!
I did not kill her. You were there when I gave her the injection.
You have killed her!
I
brought you here because she was just having cold. Cold! You ended up killing her.
With me inside. I just gave her the injection.
You gave her the injection and she's dead! She's dead!
I don't know what happened though.
You don't know what happened, doctor? You don't know what happened?
I don't know what happened.
You don't know what happened? Wake up! Do something now, do something! Do something, doctor, do something! Do something! Just tell me that you don't know what happened! You will know me. You will know the kind of person I am. It's a 7-bedroom duplex. Okay? There's one living room upstairs, another one downstairs, and all the bedrooms are in suite. It also has a boys' box. The asking price was 2.2. Hey, Oga, it's very costly. But I like it. I like it, it's good, but it's costly.
It's okay, but that's what the owner
says we should give it out. All the bedrooms are empty. Teresa, what is it?
Daddy.
What is it?
Jovita called me from the police station. She has been arrested.
What? For what?
They say someone is missing in their company and she's in charge of the sales. They say she knows what happened to the money.
Is everything okay?
Mr. Joe, I have some emergency to attend to now. I have your number. I'll call you later. Is everything okay? Everything is okay.
Daddy, you know me. Daddy, you know me, Daddy. Daddy, I didn't do it, Daddy. Daddy, I'm innocent. Daddy, I didn't do it, Daddy. Daddy, take me away from here. Daddy, please. Daddy, please. Daddy, I'm innocent. Daddy, I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
I know, my daughter. I know you didn't do it. Okay, stop crying. Stop crying. I'm going to go and look for money to bring you, okay? Huh? So they said we must produce the 100,000 that was missing. I pleaded with the manager, but he wouldn't listen. Rather, he told me that the owner of the company is in the country and is also aware of the case.
So what are we going to do now, Daddy?
That's my problem. But you see, I have this friend in a Zoro community who says he knows the owner of the company. I am thinking if I should go to him to take me to the owner of the company and plead on my behalf and see if the man will have a change of heart.
That is a good one, Daddy. But are you sure it will work?
My son, Ndocha, there is no harm in trial. We will try. If he fails, we'll do for another. Son, I'm ready to go now.
Should I come with you?
No. Stay behind, okay? And take care of the hall, okay? Okay. I'll be back early. Okay.
Safe journey.
And you have to tell your sisters, okay? Let them keep the compound. You can see it's very dirty.
Okay, Daddy.
Sweep everywhere.
Okay. I take it easy.
Let me take you to this.
Yes. Are you his relatives?
Yes.
Yes, I'm his son.
His daughter.
Okay. There is an urgent need for blood transfusion. As a matter of fact, we don't have any in our bank now.
Doctor, please, however you will serve this, you can save this man's life. I will settle the bills. Please.
You'll pay.
Doctor, take my blood. I will donate.
Okay, come with me. His blood matches with his father's.
Oh, thank God.
But he cannot donate.
Why?
There are traces of hepatitis in his blood sample.
Doctor, how about you test me? I'm his daughter and I can donate.
Stop crying. Don't be scared, right? Just calm down.
He took my blood. He took my blood. I am a match.
Sorry,
Bring that.
Happening in my family. My father is currently hospitalized, and my sister, as we speak, is in police detention. I don't know what is going on, eh? Hi.
Oh yeah. That is why it is not good to do evil. If someone had told your father that you would be the one to save his life, he would never have believed it. Now see, all the people that treated you bad are now in one trouble or the other. That reminds me, Peter has been sentenced to 20 years in prison.
Jesus. What did he do?
He killed Mrs. Izu with injection. Well, that serves him right. Yes. He got his punishment for all the things he did to you. Oh yeah, my friend. God. You see this God? God is not asleep. He is watching.
Mama, give me your hand. Anybody who causes you grief Because you don't have anybody to fight or defend you, we receive double portion of it.
I forgive Peter if he's suffering as a result of what he did to me. God, I already forgive him. Hi. Sorry, Dave, you can't go inside with us.
Why?
Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten? Forgotten is the reason Papa almost killed me.
Okay, it's alright. Just go, let me wait for you here, okay?
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, Daddy. How are you doing?
Papa, good afternoon.
Michael, how are you?
Daddy, we are fine. How are you feeling today?
Well, I'm getting better.
Okay.
I hope you didn't tell Jovita about my accident.
No, Daddy.
Good. Have you been to see her?
Daddy, we've not gone since yesterday because of the accident.
Why? No, that's not good enough. You should have gone to see her. You know how she's faring now.
Okay, Daddy. Okay. Oyine, please stay with Teresa and look after Daddy, okay? Let me go.
No. What we should be doing here? You can go with her, okay?
Okay, Daddy. Oyine, let's go.
Sorry, I'll call you back. Why are your faces like this? Is anything the matter?
Our daddy sent us to the police station.
Police station to do what?
Our sister was arrested.
Jesus Christ. Arrested for what?
Some amount of money was missing in her working place and they said she stole it.
Oh. You know what? Let's go there now, please.
Oh, you'll take us there?
Enter the car, let me take you there. Let's go. It's all right.
Sure.
How are you?
Fine.
Who are you here for?
Sir, we are here for one Miss Jovita
Igwe, yes. Oh, welcome. See, I can't release her on bail unless I hear from the manager. Where is the manager? I can get him on phone. Please do that. Mr. Tim, what are you doing here?
Chairman. Good day, sir.
Good day. What are you doing here? Yeah, he's the manager of the company. He's my manager. I'm the owner of that company.
Wow. He's the CEO of the company.
Oh, Tim, this is the case you told me about.
Yes, sir.
IPO, please, I want this case closed now. Why not? Custody.
Sure, sir.
Can't get the key.
Okay.
The doctor said I'll be discharged in 2 days' time. Michael, you have to help me thank your friend, because he has cleared all my hospital bills. The same friend of yours who bailed your Vita out from police detention. Help me thank him. God will bless him.
He's not my friend. He's Onyinye's friend. Same Onyinye. The one you hate so much.
The one you never wanted to set your eyes on.
Right from birth. It may interest you to know that the same Onyinye that took all this from you was the same person
that donated blood for you, Daddy.
Yes. Yes.
Mr. Dave is really a godsend.
Yes, he is. Look at the way he just helped us in the blink of an eye. That man is good though.
And Onyinye, she has a good heart.
Yes, I told you before now. I told you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, Michael.
Nini, how are you?
Fine. Jovita, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my sister.
Michael, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. Jovita.
Sir.
You resume work on Monday, Jovita. We now know those that stole the money, and they've been arrested. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, the company will pay you for the embarrassment they caused you. Your salary for this month will be doubled, and I'll make sure that your salary is increased.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, you're welcome. Michael, do you have an international passport?
No, sir, no.
It's alright. I'll arrange one for you for a abroad trip. You travel abroad.
Oh my God.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. It's okay. I'll leave you people. Take care of yourself.
Bye-bye.
Mr. David, thank you very much. Thank you very much for everything you did for me and my family. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
God will bless you. God will bless you. God will bless you.
Thank you.
Oye.
Sir?
Oye, my dear daughter. Oh. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for everything I have done to you. For my behavior towards you. All my attitudes, wrong attitudes I meted out to you. Please forgive me. Oh God. It was a mistake. A mistake I made. But I realized it was a mistake. It led to my stupidity. It led to my stupidity. The same stupidity that crumbled everything I had. My business, all my ambition, my children's future were mortgaged, all because of this mistake. God, I hated your mother. I hated your mother so much. When, as a matter of fact, I showed her, it was that same hatred that I transferred onto you. Same hatred that I transferred onto you. My dear daughter, I'm your father. You're my child. These are your sisters and your brother. Please, forgive us. Forgive us. This whole thing that happened has taught me one lesson in life. That what we cannot change, we should accept and live with it. I have learned that what we cannot change in life, we should accept it and live with it. I'm sorry, my daughter. I'm sorry.
Papa, I have nothing against you. Nothing at all. Mama taught me to face whatever challenge that comes my way in life. I forgive you. And I love you. I love you.
Wow. Oh, my dear daughter. My dear daughter.
Please forgive us, Onyinye. We're sorry for everything. We're sorry, Onyinye. Please forgive you. So are my sisters. I forgive you.
too sweet.
Thank you.
Can you turn around, please? Let me see you. Wow. Baby, you look ravishing, honestly.
Thanks.
You're beautiful.
Thanks.
Honestly, I can't wait to say I do. Come on. You know I love you. I already see you as my wife. Oh, don't you feel the same way? Come on. Huh? Baby, I love you seriously. Okay, come. Let's go, please. Come on.
Ofu mbọsị ọnụ